taco loaded potato bowl is easy to make. It's simple, delicious, healthy, packed with protein. Also great for meal prepping. You gotta try it out. Bro, it's fucking delicious. First, we're gonna put together a quick pico. The full details are in the caption. Once done, place that in the fridge. Next, we're gonna make a homemade guacamole. Again, full details are in the caption. Once done, place that in the fridge as well. Next, we're gonna take and add them to a large bowl. Hit them with olive oil and your taco seasoning of choice. Give them a good mix. Then we're gonna add those to a baking sheet into the oven at 425 for about 30 to 35 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking, we're gonna make our ground beef, medium-high heat, a little bit of oil, break up the ground beef, add some of that taco seasoning, adjust accordingly, a little bit of water to moisten it up, and boom. Take the potatoes out, let them cool, assemble your bowls.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So